Alright, I'm about to go to Georgia. Wish me luck. I'm driving a truck I actually got from Copart not too long ago. 320 plus thousand miles. That's to be the farthest I ever took it. So, wish me luck. Just picked up my new Grom. It's beat to hell, but it's still a Grom. Alright, this is my new 2015 Grom. And I'm going to see if I got screwed or if I got a deal. See how bad it is. Nice Yoshimura exhaust. It's got a hole in it. I know the levers are bent and broken, and also the brake and the clutch lever are bent. So somebody's looped it at least once. I think what happened, somebody stole it and beat the crap out of it. But Copart just said the main damage was vandalism. You can see it's been sitting for a while. I checked the oil, it's got oil in it, but it smells horrible. I had to flush that out. And hopefully I can just use some acetone and get all this paint off, because I'm sure they did not scuff it. But first I want to see if the screwdriver trick works. I'm guessing that's not going to work. Yeah, somebody definitely had this hot wired. That's a lot more than I was hoping. No fuel, turn signals on, or something. Whatever. Trip. Yep, see if it starts. Oh. Yo. What's up? Why?
You left your flashlight here at work and wanted to see if you wanted it.
Oh. No, it's alright.
Here?
Huh?
You want me to leave it here?
Yeah, you can leave it there. Just is it on charge still?
Huh?
Is it on charge still?
No, somebody just plugged in.
It wasn't plugged in?
No.
Is the charger still there?
Yeah, the charger's here, but the charger wasn't hooked up to the other cord.
Will you hook it up for me?
Charger?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll charge it.
Hey, guess what?
Alright, man.
Hey. You hear that? Oh, you turd. So it does run. Got a bunch of oil on the exhaust. I'm really hoping there's not something broken on the head. But if there is, that means 300 swap. But it's slap out of fuel. Alright, to conclude this video, it's the next day. After I got the Grom started, I was super tired, didn't get a lot of sleep. I was really excited about going to get another Grom. So after I got it started, I kind of just crashed. It hit me real hard. I was about to fall asleep in the back of the truck. So I just put everything away for yesterday night and went to bed. But the Grom, it's not as nice as I was hoping it would be, but that's the chance you take buying it sight unseen. I think value-wise, I probably paid right at the value of what the Grom is, with the spray paint and broken levers and bent shifter and all that. I think I can easily double that if I fix the paint and the levers and all that, and hopefully it won't take much for parts. I know I got most of the parts ordered already, and I don't think I've spent 500 bucks on them. This is my second Grom. The first one I had, I love, but I talked myself into getting rid of it because I wasn't driving it enough. But I regretted that as soon as I did it. So this Grom, I'm not buying it to flip it. I'm buying it because I want another Grom to ride. Eventually I would really like to do a 300 swap in it. Obviously I'm not going to do it as soon, very soon. But when I had that Grom running, it seemed pretty good. It seemed to run pretty good. So yep, hopefully it'll work out. I'm gonna continue working on it today. It's probably gonna be a separate video. And I'm gonna figure out why it doesn't want to start off the push button. Hopefully it's just a bad relay, or it's not getting signal from something. I have to chase wires. And the truck seems to be running great. Like I said at the beginning of the video, this truck I bought off Copart not too long ago. It has 320,000+ miles. I don't know exactly. I had to change the gauge cluster because of an issue. I was a little worried about it driving it 3.5 hours to Savannah and back, but it did really good. And I actually checked the mileage when I got back. It's almost getting 17 miles to the gallon on I believe, the original 6-liter Power Stroke engine. So that's pretty good. But I'll end the video here. I gotta run to the store, and I'll get working on that Grom again.